Find the slope of the line that passes through the points 2, 4, and 6, 12. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these points that they gave me back into an XY table. So 2 is next to 4, and 6 is next to 12. Then I find the change in the Y. From 4 to 12 is going up 8. I always circle the Y value. And from 2 to 6 is going up 4. The reason I circle the Y value is because now I'm going to make a fraction with the circled number on top. So 8 over 4. But you always have to simplify all fractions, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. Find the slope of the line that passes through 10, 1 and 5, 2. Same thing, put the points back into an XY table. So 10 is next to 1, 5 is next to 2. From 1 to 2 is going up 1. From 10 to 5 is going down 5 because they're getting closer to 0. So the slope is the circled number on top, 1 over negative 5. It can't be simplified, but usually they'll put the negative out front, so it'll be called negative 1/5. Find the slope of the lines. The first thing I do when I find the slope of a graph line is to use Mr. Slope Guy to help me figure out direction. So if the line's going in the up in the positive direction, it's positive. If it's going down, it's negative slope. Straight up and down, a vertical line is undefined. And if it's a horizontal line straight across, that's a 0 slope. So Mr. Slope Guy says that this line is going down, so that's a negative slope. So the slope is negative. Let me come over here and do some work though for it first. Okay, you draw a triangle, a right triangle connecting the 2 points on the line they gave you. It's under the line that they gave you. This triangle that I drew is 2 units high and 2 units long. So then you have 2 over 2. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. The slope is negative 1 on that one. Number 4, again, we know it's a negative slope because of the direction. You connect the dots under the line with a right triangle. You count how many boxes high it is. Do not count the lines, count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count how many boxes long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there it is, negative 5/4. It does not simplify, so that's your answer on that one. This one, the direction indicates that it's a 0 slope. At what rate did the rain fall? Okay, this is a proportional line because it's touching 0. So when it's a proportional straight line touching 0, you can go to 1 and go over and see where you're at. So the rain falls at 2, and then you read it like this, and you put the per here. So it's centimeters per hour. Centimeters per hour. Number 7, describe the transformation from the graph of f of x equals x squared to the graph of g of x equals x to the negative 4. Okay, any constants put with the parent function. If it's positive, it's up. If it's negative, it's down. So this one's going down 4. Given that f of x equals 2x plus 3, translate the function down, so down means minus 2, and write the new function. Okay, if it was 2x plus 3, and we're going to go down 2, it's now going to be 2x, and then 3 take away 2 is a positive 1. So my new function is g of x equals 2x plus 1. What transformation will occur if f of x equals x is replaced with f of x plus 2? Well, they tell you that f of x is x, so that means x plus 2 right here. But they're asking what's going to happen, what will occur. So since there's a plus here, this one's going to go up 2, or a vertical of 2. But up is good enough. Okay, given that f of x equals x, translate the function up is plus 5, and write the new function. So the new function is going to be called g of x. And you write down your parent function that they give you, which is x, and then you said you're going to go up 5, so that's a plus 5.